Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to do this nice 90s brown look. But also, that's not it. I will be giving you guys my 90s playlist as I do the makeup. It's a double whammy, literally. I feel like every time I film, I have something different about me, whether it's my hair or something, I don't know, something. So I got my nails done yesterday. It's a nice orange color, kind of goes good with my 90s shirt. And also I got my hair cut. Yeah, I'm a shorty now. I'm a legit shorty. My hair is short. And it goes good with my little 90s bobby pins I put in my hair today, so yeah. And let's get to the video. So I already just did my eyebrows and my skin looks really like dry right now, so I'm just going to put on some e.l.f. primer. One thing I really like about this 90s look is that it's gonna be like a natural, like you don't even need like a bunch of makeup to do this. Like that's why this is such an easy like tutorial. I'm not gonna even put on foundation. I'm just gonna go straight in with some pro concealer. I love this concealer. You can literally get it at like a beauty supply and it's so full coverage. When I first started wearing makeup, I actually like always did full faces of concealer. Now once that is done, I'm just going to contour a little bit. I filmed like 4 makeup videos today, so it's been putting on makeup, taking off makeup. So my face feels very like dehydrated right now. So it's kind of like the color of this wall. So we're just going to contour that away. So for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go to my Carly Bagel palette and I'm going to be using this brown shade up here. What I'm going for is like a brown like all over. Like there's no specific like pattern. Like I just want it to be like brown, like not in the crease or my outer crease or under, just like all over. I wasn't even born in the 90s, but I don't know, sometimes I just feel like a 90s kid. Like my favorite show from the 90s is A Different World. I watch that still like all the time. That is like literally my favorite show. Now that that is done, I'm just going to add my highlight. Since I have a brown eye, I'm going to go in with a gold highlight. Like I said, not too much. We want to be very subtle. So I'm going to go into this light one. I'm gonna put on a little bit of this e.l.f. lipstick. The color is Blushing Brown. And now I'm kind of gonna go on top of that with this like dollar store lip gel. And the look is complete.
Slouch each and every day to play away. Girl, I must.
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. subscribe to my channel and watch all my previous videos because they have been super lit. Also, check out my Musical.ly. I've been making a bunch of Musical.lys. Thank you for getting me to 4,000 followers. You guys are the best. And I will see you guys next week, maybe. Bye.